It's time for another cool tool review. This time we're going to take a look at the Komelon Gripper Speedmark 25-foot tape measure. I've been trying out a lot of different tape measures recently. Some have a lot of features like magnets or finger stops or pencil sharpeners. This tape measure from Komelon has none of those extras, but it's the tape measure I reach for the most often, and I've boiled that down to 3 reasons. First, it's the easiest to read. The numbers are black against a matte white tape that's easy to read indoors or in direct sunlight. The numbers are big and really easy to see, especially in the first foot where the numbers are gigantic. Second, the tape labels the fractional measurements, so instead of counting each little slice, you can quickly read the fractions of an inch. Finally, it's well built. It feels just as sturdy as my more expensive tapes, but even if it does eventually break or get lost, at around $9, it's no hardship to replace it. That's the Komelon 25-foot tape measure. You can find links in the description, and you can find thousands of reader recommended tools like these at cool-tools.org.